Why is coming home to my dog the best part of my day? Love is a drug, and dogs can change the biochemistry of our brains. ImpulseNotion presents Bad Day, Pet a Dog. Stroking our dogs causes our brains to release the chemicals Oxytocin, Endorphins, Dopamine, and Serotonin. What's so great about these chemicals? Well, Oxytocin helps us feel calm. It does so by slowing our heart rate and breathing, lowering blood pressure, and inhibiting the production of stress hormones. Endorphins are our natural painkillers. We often feel them after a good workout. Petting our dogs increases their levels. Serotonin and dopamine are neurotransmitters. This means that they transmit information between neurons. People who suffer from depression often have low levels of serotonin and dopamine. Serotonin is believed to contribute to happiness by helping to regulate mood, memory, digestion, and other areas. Serotonin is the neurotransmitter antidepressant drugs try to elevate, but petting a dog does so naturally. Dopamine helps regulate movement, learning, attention, and emotional responses. It is a reward chemical that contributes to feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. The best part is, dogs also feel good getting pets from us. After a long day, relax and recharge by petting your furry best friend. Stay tuned for the next video. Dog's Weewee is stuck. If you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe to be notified of future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and be sure to share with your friends. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. You can get pet supplies and merchandise at the ImpulseNotion stores.